Hello, good morning, Mr. Tyson and Mr. YAFES. Today I show you the factory. Today is the 28th May. Okay. This is outside our factory. Okay. This is our CBFI front desk. And this is our certificate, all the patents, ISO, something, ISO certificates. Okay. I will show you the factory. I'll walk you around so you can see how our factory is like. Okay, this is the first floor. First floor is the delivery team, domestic sales team, and so on. And our factory is just next to the office building. Okay. Now we have the second factory. This one is 30 minutes away from here. This is the CCTV. Today is 28th May 2025. But this factory is not together with here. This factory, you know, is do the metallic work, this laser cutting and all the metal works. Do like this frameworks and then send it here to do the installations. Okay. You see all the parts are made there and then delivered to here. Okay. And this is the ice cutter for the tube ice machine. See this one, very sturdy materials. Okay. And this one we do from the complete steel. Not like this 4 pieces. It will vibrate if this one is not aligned well. So everything is aligned well. Okay, and you can see the bearings. We do. It's 4 bearings, very high quality metal sheet. Okay, and this is our factory. You see, this one, the automatic ice packing machine. Okay. All the automatic ice packing machine made here. And this one is the cube ice machine for display during the Canton Fair. And this part does the IQF products, IQF cold room and something. And this is the semi-finished product for the cube ice machine. Okay. This is also semi-finished. This one's the frame. Come here, do the installation. Okay. This flake ice machine. Flake ice machine, 10 tons tube ice machine. Okay. And this is the electric box we make by ourselves. Make in here, our colleagues is doing the electric box assembly in here. Okay. And this is our warehouse for incoming accessories such as the compressor, everything. Okay, packing machines, well finished here. The accessories warehouse. This is our warehouse for the accessories, and all the things is well organized. Everything is well organized, all the parts sorted out. This and that, okay? Our good management for the factory is a necessary part for the quality of the machine. Okay. We continue to check the other area of our factory. So you can see we are the real factory and we are powerful factory, not just a small factory. Okay. This one, the refrigeration unit for the cold rooms. We're building for other projects as well, for cold rooms, for processing plants. Okay. This is a bigger trip ice machine. This is automatic ice packing machine, 2 kg to 15. This one is a vertical one. Okay. And this one is what you're trying to buy. This one is a 5-turner. Okay. And this one just a finished installation and going to do the testing very soon. Okay, this one is 5 tons. 5 tons, okay. Okay, now you check it out. 5 tons. This connect the power. Okay, this PLC from Siemens. Okay. Now this one is a 1 ton. This smaller one. We'll continue the tour. This is the bigger machines. Okay, this one 30 tons. This one 20 tons. These are some testing ice. Okay, some testing ice. And you see we have all here, all the finished machine going to be sent to our clients. And this one is the water cooling tower. Okay, this one is sending together with the machine. Customer just put together. Doing the installation, but it's easy, you know, just put up the 4 pieces and all this is very easy to install. This one is direct ice block machine. Okay. This is another warehouse of ours for the also semi-finished and some raw materials. This is the shipping area. We're cleaning the machine before loading the container. Okay. This is packing material films. We warp up the machine with this film and load to the containers like that. Okay. Now, this one is a 5 ton. Okay. Now you can see clearly the machine you're going to buy is like this, finished one. Okay. This one is coming with this. Okay. Okay, you can watch carefully. This is a new model. In Turkey, there is no such a model before because this one is released in March. We're going to do this one for you. Okay. Now the machine sent to you in one piece. In one piece and no need of installation. We have a gas inside. We have compressor, everything to put together. Okay. What you need is to connect the water, okay? Connect this one, connect the power, this one, you connect it, okay? When you receive the machine. And this connects the water cooling condenser with the water cooling tower, okay? It's finished. And we put this in a pallet, sent to you. This is the tube we're using, and this one is a quality seamless tube. Okay, this one is a complete bar, no weldings. This one made from the whole piece, and you can see inside there no weldings. It's a smooth. Okay, it's a smooth inside. Smooth inside, no welding, and 0.0. This is a 2 millimeter thick. This one 2 millimeter thick. This one. So very powerful seamless tube. All here we use. Okay. And this is the packing area for the small machine. Okay. So all the small machine we use this box. Export standard to pack them up and send to you, make sure it's fine. Okay, this is the evaporator processing area. We do all the welding, polishing here. Our supervised machine, all is done by ourselves. Okay, and you can see the weldings here we do. This picture scale welding. Okay, all the picture scale welding. Okay, Mr. Tassin and Mr. YAFES. Now, I hope this video gives you a very clear idea of our factory. We're a big one and a powerful one, and we can give you good guarantee for your machine. Okay? See you.